Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when your iPhone won't merge calls. Merging calls is a feature that allows more than two users to join the same call. As long as your mobile carrier supports it, it's easy to start a conference call using your iPhone's phone app. However, several users have complained on the official forum that for them, the iPhone doesn't merge calls. The merge button looks tappable, but it's unable to merge calls into a conference after hitting the button. Besides, they usually find the merge calls not working after a system update like iOS 26. If you have the same issue with call merging on an iPhone, this video guide will explore the reasons and give you solutions so that you can make a three-way call again. Why is your iPhone unable to merge calls? After some research, it could be due to an incomplete update installation, a temporary system crash, misconfigured call settings, or phone network issues. Sometimes, there might be a fault with the carrier team when you can't merge calls on iPhone. Certain limitations or restrictions on conference calls might apply based on your mobile plan or geographic area. Now check the step-by-step guide of how to fix iPhone merge calls not working. They work for all iPhone models including the latest iPhone 17 series. Work your way down until you can make a conference call from your iPhone again. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Ask your phone carrier if it supports merge calls. First of all, make a quick call to your cellular service provider and confirm if your current plan supports call merging. If the feature is enabled, ask if there are any restrictions on the conference call options. For example, the number of participants allowed on a conference call, ability to add an incoming caller to the conversation, etc. Once affirmed, here are the official steps to set up a conference call on your iPhone. Open the phone app, dial the number you want to call out. After the first call is connected, tap More, then tap Add People to dial the second number. After the second contact number has accepted your call, tap Merge to combine calls into one conversation. Turn your iPhone on and off. Depending on the different carrier, merging calls into one conference call can take up to 30 seconds to complete the connection. If iPhone calls won't merge and you wait strangely longer than usual, the phone app might be crashing or the system fails to operate suddenly. Then, performing a quick restart will be a go-to trick. It's safe to resolve this call issue without deleting any data and files preserved on the phone. To try it, use the instructions that fit your specific phone model. On an iPhone 10 or later model, press and hold both the volume up key and power key. On an iPhone 8 or earlier model, press and hold the power key only. When given the power off slider, drag it to the right and your iPhone will be off. Wait for a while. Then, on all iPhone models, press and hold the power key until the device screen pops up an Apple logo. Let your iPhone turn on, then attempt to merge calls to see if you manage to hold a conference call with the iPhone. Check if the number is blocked. After the reboot, the next step is to take a look at your phone's blocked contact list. Your iPhone cannot merge calls if the number is blocked by your device. To rule out this possibility, tap the Settings app from the home screen. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Then, locate the Messages option and hit it. In the next page, find and tap on Blocked Contacts. See if the number of the contact you wish to call and merge shows there. If it does, swipe left the number, then choose Unblock. After that, go to the phone app and make three-way calls on iPhone again to see if you have no issues merging calls this time. Let your iPhone run the latest iOS version. This can help eliminate the conflicts arisen from the outdated OS that prevent the phone app from activating merging calls. To update your iPhone software, follow these steps. Go to Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Locate the Software Update option and tap it. If a new iOS is released, it'll show up on the next screen. Tap on the Download and Install button and finish the on-screen instructions until the update installation process begins. After the iOS update, test if you're able to make a three-way conference call on iPhone properly now. Update the carrier settings if available. Generally, when a new iOS update comes out with substantial modifications to carrier-specific features, the carrier team will release an updated version to adapt to these changes and ensure smooth performance. If your iPhone doesn't update the carrier settings to its latest version when needed, it won't conference call as expected. To determine if this factor is responsible for call issues, head to the Settings app. Tap on General. Choose About. If there's a carrier update available, you'll receive a prompt to update the settings. Simply follow the instructions to proceed and test if you can regain smooth call conferencing on your iPhone after that. If no prompt appears, move on to the next solution. Consider doing a reset. It's possible that you mistakenly set up some configuration at the Settings app but you don't realize it. As a result, you cannot merge any calls on the iPhone even though you can see the merge option while calling. You can attempt to reset all settings first. This will restore all settings like network, display, sound, privacy, notification, and so on while keeping all your saved data and files untouched. If the issue remains after resetting all the settings, doing a backup of your iPhone and then use erase all content and settings to bring the device back to its factory settings. Send iPhone in for service. Although rare, invisible internal components damage on the phone does exist, leading to merge calls not working in iPhone. It'll result from manufacturing defects, exposure to extreme temperatures, or physical impacts that do not leave visible signs on the device's exterior. In such cases, you'd better take the device to an Apple store or send it in for service. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone that won't merge calls. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting the merging iPhone calls back working again. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.